A fantastic opportunity awaits you in this beautiful ranch-style home, centrally located just minutes from Lake Oswego and downtown Portland. It's situated on a large dividable lot with a second gated driveway, a parcel that could be used for a second home or ADU. Inside, discover custom Douglas fir woodwork, a sunken living room with gorgeous Mount Hood views, a cozy gas fireplace, and room for entertaining. The stylish kitchen features stainless steel appliances in a sleek, inviting design. All 3 bedrooms are finished with new mill-guard sliding glass doors, each providing exterior access to the backyard oasis. The expansive deck is perfect for year-round entertaining. Natural light pours in over the Douglas fir hardwoods. Savor quiet mornings or tranquil evenings surrounded by the lush, mature landscaping, fruit trees, berry bushes, and multiple entertaining spaces. Other features include an artist studio, tool shed, cedar sunroom, irrigation throughout the property, a stone water feature, and abundant space for your dream garden. Living here, you'll love this location, just minutes from some of Lake Oswego's best amenities, new seasons, multiple parks, and with quick access to downtown Portland. A gorgeous home, backyard retreat, and a dividable lot. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.